Hello world, welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hacking Raspberry Pi one of a kind 0 to hero series. Alright guys, so I hope you are ready with the Sense hat. The previous lesson I showed you how to fix it, mount it with the camera and put both the side bolts and tighten it on your Raspberry Pi. So in this lesson I'm going to show you how to install the packages for the Sense hat to be activated, right? So it's a very important thing. Without that you cannot write any program, any Python program. So pay very good attention. It's just a one single line command, but before that we need to update and upgrade our Linux packages in Raspberry Pi. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to log into my VNC. There you go. That's my VNC server. I have logged into my Raspberry Pi. And what we need to do, open the terminal from the top black color, this window, single click, it's open. You need to type sudo, that is the super user admin, sudo apt-get space update, like this. Sudo space apt hyphen, that is a dash, the minus symbol, get update. Hit enter button on your keyboard, and this is going to update your Raspberry Pi OS package, and that's done. Now we need to upgrade. Now this upgrade command is going to take quite a while for you guys, depending upon when is the last time you updated. I just did it few minutes back, so it's going to run pretty quick for me. For you guys it might take somewhere between 15-20 minutes, right, approximately. That also depends upon your network speed, that means your Wi-Fi connectivity, your internet speed, right? It all depends upon that. So in case if it is taking longer, you need to be really patient. Be patient and do not get panicked. Do not close the window. Most important thing, do not close the window. That's going to interrupt your update packages. So how do we update? Sudo space apt dash get upgrade. Okay, we did the update before, now we are upgrading. Hit enter and it's calculating. Boom. So it's done for me pretty quick because I just did few minutes back before I made this video. So for you, again, it will take somewhere between 15-20 minutes, depending upon A, your internet speed, and B, how frequently you do the upgrade parameters. So now let's get into the magic, right? So now we need to install the packages for Sense hat. It's very important. So let's go to that particular command. So it's called sudo apt-get install Sense hat. So I just made a note of it on my notes. I'm going to copy that and paste it here. There you go. So it is called sudo space apt hyphen, which is dash, get space install space sense dash hat. Okay, no spelling mistake, no uppercase, no lowercase. Enter, and it's done. So for me it says Sense hat is already the newest version 1.2. so in your case it might show up different because you are going to do it for the first time. I just did it couple of minutes back to test it. It worked perfect, and that's about it. So once this is ready, guys, we should be all set to write some basic programs and activate our Sense hat. And maybe we can start with a hello world program, which is a known standard stuff. So keep these things ready. Make sure that you install the packages. Before installing the packages, you need to first update and then upgrade, right? First you need to update to the current level and then upgrade your Linux OS in Raspberry Pi. Once that is done, go ahead and execute this program, the command sudo apt-get install sense-hat. Once this is done, you are set, right? So keep it ready. I will come back to you soon in the next lesson. Goodbye.